Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am participating in an open collab called A White Affair Birthday Party Celebration, hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and A Grace Life DIY Home Decor. They also have two co-hosts, Creations by Simone and Denise, Glam Style Living. So I will link all of their info down in my description box below. So the host has asked us to decorate an area in our home in white, adding an accent color of our choice. Well, today I'm celebrating a dear friend's birthday that's getting married this Saturday and have styled my dining area to surprise her with a birthday bridal shower white party celebration. So I'm going to let you enjoy the video to music. So guess I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I styled my dining area to surprise my friend with a birthday bridal shower white party celebration. If you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And to all of the July birthdays out there, happy birthday. And I hope you have enjoyed your day or have planned something. If you haven't had your birthday, have planned something for your upcoming birthday, just enjoy it. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.